Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the BQ Aquaris E4.5. Designed in Spain, released in 2014. That smartphone runs Android 4.4.2 KitKat. It has a MediaTek chipset MT6582. It's a quad-core up to 1.3 GHz. It has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of ROM. Only 5 GB usable for the user. So let's take a look. At the front we found 4.5 inches display, 3 navigation buttons and a 5 megapixel camera without flash. Also there is a notification LED. At the bottom we found the microphone, the micro USB port for charging it or transfer data, and the speaker that I have to say that it's really powerful. At the right side, sorry because the phone is a bit broken, we found 2 SIM card slots. One of it will work up to 3G bands and the second one will work up to 2G on GSM. At the top, a micro SD card slot up to 32 GB and a hole for jack 3.5mm for our headphones or headsets. At the right side, the volume buttons and the lock-unlock button also turn it on or off. At the back we found the BQ logo, an 8 megapixel camera with 2 flash LED and a microphone for noise cancellation. Down we found the model, designed in Spain, assembled in China. So I think I show you everything about the external. Let's take a look what's inside. I have to say that the first BQ phones released had many errors and must be repaired. I repaired this one. I was using it and I have to say that it has a really huge battery of 2150 milliamperes that gives to the phone up to 7 hours playing a video on YouTube connected to Wi-Fi, so really powerful with the battery. So as you can see, it has Android, nothing special. And at the camera, let's take a look how it looks. There you can see, as I told you, it has 8 megapixel camera that you can interpolate it up to 13 megapixel. Video resolution at the rear camera is full HD, and at the front camera, let's take a look. Hi guys, it will record video up to VGA resolution, 5 megapixel for photos. Okay, that was my example, and now I think I commented everything about the phone. It has Bluetooth 4.0, and I want to show you your favorite section, the ringtones of the phone. Audio profiles, ringtones. Now the notification tones. So I think that was all about the ringtones, your favorite section. Now let's take a look, for example, at the wallpapers it includes. And the animated one. So what more to say about the phone? As I told you, BQ brand had many errors at his first phones. So files with battery, operating system, different things. I repaired this one. Now it works really fine. As I told you, really huge battery. This is how it looks. 4.5 inches display, and I don't know what more to say about the phone. Really complete for its time, it runs fine, smooth. So that was all, my friends. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. See you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.